Yeah, this is fucking the bomb. I think it's fucking good. Like a pal, yo. Hey, he's having a drink. Motherfucking drink. This is amazing, yo. Sip up that drink, pal. Back to the music. Woo, woo, woo. This is fucking great.
Igual a hip hop, mami, porque así nací. Les enseño como Jackson falla el APC. Yo, this is.
Hey, they're smoking. Smoking is good. Like fucking pals. He's wearing a bandana too. A bandana is good. Yeah. Here we go.
What you want to see? Bienvenidos a mi crib, como en NTP. Igual a hip hop, mami, porque así nací. Les enseño como Jackson falla el APC.
Just real and good hip hop, brothers. Real and good. Here we go. Real and good. See, look at that. Look at that. Yeah.
Yeah, this is what you want to see. Bienvenidos a mi crib, como en MTV. Honey, are you okay? Honey, happy birthday. Mami, soy latino, te traje tequila, sunrise all day. Ando con la banda del desorden. Ya ni me presento si te saben mi nombre. Soy el TR1. Como el 2020 lo vacuno. Quiero 24K como Bruno, con esta esencia.
Look at that outfits they wear. And that bandana. It's fucking epic, man. Back to the video.
Mami, ya no queda ninguno. Bloqueando el escenario como sumo. Estamos en ley. Mientras suena la sirena, gritan May. Day con los cholos en el hood fumando K. Suena rap y todo el barrio grita hey. Hey, grita hey. Hey, estamos en ley. Mientras suena la sirena, gritan May. Day con los cholos en el hood fumando K.
She's fucking hot and sexy. A sexy good bomber pals. Yeah. Driving that vehicle. Drive that vehicle really well. Now here we go back to the video.
Suena rap y todo el barrio grita hey, hey, grita hey, hey. Hip hop, mami, porque así nací. Les enseño como Jackson falla el APC. Yo, this is what you want to see. Bienvenidos a mi crib, como en NTP. Llego a la hip hop, mami, porque así nací. Les enseño como Jackson falla el APC. Yo, this is what you want to see. Bienvenidos a mi crib, como en MTV.
I know you hear me on the radio. Las Bonitas, been decent. They go tweaking. I ain't drinking no damn tequila no more.
Tequila? He drinks tequila no more? Is that what he just said? Tequila no more? Alright. Back to the plane.
Because it's only shouted knocking my door. Show up at my casa on the Casamigos, trying to eat me e-hoes. Took a flight to Argentina, but I'm from the East Coast. You know Georgia, East Atlanta, where the peach tree grows. And if you ever thinking of traveling, then let me know. My cousin be in a truck and put a pack on the road. He'll be happy if I could bring.
Let me know. That's very good. Let me know. And I like that shirt. That shirt is fucking epic and stuff. Back to the song.
Back a Shaq free throw. I'm a nappy little headed rapping nigga packing in shows, talking in unknown codes, tapping in unknown flows. Play the trumpet or the trombone. I'm getting bands out in Buenos Aires. I'm with Trueno. I'm with the squad. Her amigas, I'm muy buenas. And she want me in her 3 bars. I bring chaos.
Hip hop, mami, porque así
he's wearing a nice hat.
Como Jackson falla el APC. Yo, this is what you want to see. Bienvenidos a mi crib, como en NTV. Llego a la hip hop, mami, porque así nací. Les enseño como Jackson falla.
Yeah, they all dancing with the hip hop. Now here we go. Hip hop is badass.
Yeah, this is what you want to see. Bienvenidos a mi crib, como en MTV. The tango, what you want, don't be. The tango,
fucking
baby. The tango, what you want.
What's he doing in that fire, yo? Fire. Awesome. Give that video rating 10.5. 10.5. Thanks for watching. Later.